Now this is a beard trimmer that I purchased a few weeks ago. It's from Braun, and it's a nice little unit. It's in its own little case, and if you take it out, you'll find that I found a slight issue anyway. This button at the front, when it's pushed up, will stop the dial from turning around. That controls the amount of beard trim that you have. Now, if you have it button pushed down, then it will move without you realising. Now, so set it to the one you want and push it up. And I personally would check it every time to make sure it is at the correct setting before using it. Otherwise, it might be catastrophic to your beard. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if this was helpful, could you please share, like, and subscribe?